Is he on body?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
Just got to Tahuya. The plan is to find a campsite, and then me and Taylor are gonna go ride for a while. Copy. And then we are going to, ride for a while. And then tonight, our friends from Haven Ridge Adventures are going to be showing up and camping with us. And then tomorrow, we're gonna do a little off-roading with them. So it's gonna be an exciting weekend. Should be fun. This will be the first dirt bike ride for me and Taylor this year. And I think I speak for both of us when I say we're super excited.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Less music, more two-stroke? Sure. We made breakfast and awaited Jesse's arrival. Jesse was late, always. But that's okay when you drive a Gladiator. We were able to sleep in and hang out by the fire. It was truly an incredible morning. Once Jesse arrived, we aired down and discussed our route.
Yeah. I think that's the difficult.
No, that's
So you can take the bypass road to get there quicker.
You mean the one that we did on the way back? This was the first run the Landcruiser had been on. We wanted an easy route. We chose a combination of the South Route and Trail 55. It was perfect. The Landcruiser still had factory sway bars, so we couldn't ask too much of it.
So many times I've stranded, a castaway, and I'm not sure of those stranger in this continent.
This was the first and only time this Landcruiser would be wheeled stock. I have an array of parts ready to install. We really just wanted a baseline to start from. The build will be featured on this channel and Haven Ridge Adventures channel. Phase 1 will consist of a lift, bumpers, a spare tire swing out, sliders, a roof rack, some off-road lights, and a winch. It's going to be an incredible cruiser. This one is too clean and has too low of miles. 120k. I'd like to find one with over 300k and turn it more into a crawler with a Cummins engine. If you'd watched my last video, you would have seen me flex out on this natural flex ramp. Since I have installed aluminum inner fenders, high clearance KBD fenders, and the Apex 2.5 ton steering kit with the flip kit, I definitely have more flex. I was digging into my fenders and my steering contacted my sway bar and frame. Time for more lift.
You're rubbing a fender. You might be able to, but you're starting to push the fender out. Oh yeah, way more. Because last time you wanted to do it by only pushing the other fender. Sick. And I thought this car was up.
We continued down the trail. The Landcruiser's wheelbase makes it an incredible build platform. Most people think of Jeep Wranglers as a good starting platform, which they are. But the Landcruiser's wheelbase is similar. An 80 series Landcruiser could outwheel my Gladiator with much less of a build on most terrain. There are some areas where the longer wheelbase helps, however. Is he on body?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Need some sliders.
Turn to the right. So turn your wheel that way. Now back up.
Oh, yeah. Huge rock. You see that rock, right? Under the diff? She centered on that?
I was paying attention to the tree stump.
So was I. Mud flap. We don't need those mud flaps.
Or the bumper.
That's getting replaced. I got a new bumper for it. Woo! Landcruiser Shakedown. Dang.
Oh, well, Landcruiser should have no problem over here. Got better turning radius.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
I saw you had to back up for that one turn now.
Me?
Yeah.
Dude, I have less radius than you with those tires.
Well, and you have a different, you're wider now, aren't you?
Oh, way wider. Once the build is complete, Haven Ridge Adventures will be taking ownership of the cruiser. It will definitely be sad to see it go. Fortunately, I'll be able to see it nearly every time we wheel. McKaylee is becoming a better off-road driver every time we go out. She's got the Gladiator entirely flexed out and has the driver front at full droop, something she has never done before. Awesome. I should point out that a big reason why the Landcruiser did so well was the driver. The Gladiator is more of a point-and-shoot kind of rig at this point in the build. The Landcruiser took more finesse and exemplified Michael's driving skills. A great driver and a well-built cruiser are basically unstoppable.
Yeah. It's gonna just smash into it, I think.
No, but my rear's gonna lift up too.
Okay. Yeah. You got lucky.
That wasn't that bad.
No. It was dragging at first though.
Drag everything right through it.
That's exactly what happened.
That's funny. This whole thing, put 40s on it, still can't go anywhere. Can't take it anywhere. Before we knew it, we arrived back at our campsite. The Landcruiser did not escape without damage. Surprisingly, it wasn't from when Michael had the cruiser against the stump. Some fender damage, some rear bumper damage, some pinstriping, and a dent above the fuel door. Most of this is getting replaced anyway. The dent above the fuel door? Trail trophy. We enjoyed dinner and some tea. Then I filmed a giant raven. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.